Hey everybody, my name is Adele. If you're probably seeing this, you probably came from my Craigslist ad. This will also be on YouTube, but I just wanted to make a video before I have all the steps below of what you need to do to start making money with this. But I wanted to make a video because, um, just to kind of introduce myself and go walk through each program. I know Craigslist can be a little unnerving, so I think videos are the best way to kind of break the ice and get into how things are done here. So I have three opportunities that work exclusively with the US that I wanted to share with as many people as possible within the month of January um, to make just a killing. You can make, I mean, there's no limit to what you can make doing these three opportunities. So a little about myself. My name's Adele. I live in Denver, Colorado, and I work exclusively online to make an income for myself by taking advantage of either affiliate programs or cryptocurrency or foreign exchange. I do a lot of different things, but a couple easy, fun things that I'm doing right now are promoting these free apps and another service that pays out a really good commission that I wanted to add into this. So I'm just gonna jump into that. The first app is called Dosh. This is a fairly new app. So what they did is they wanted to run a promotion to get as many people to download this as possible. And they did this the last 2 weeks of 2017, and they had over 1 million people download this app. Okay, and they did this by paying out $15 per sign up. So this is how you can take advantage of things like this. You download the app, you link a bank card. It's a cashback app, so they want you to use the app. You don't have to use it. They do have great cashback opportunities, like 7 to 10% on pretty popular stores like Burger King, Forever 21. So you should definitely use the app, but you don't have to. Um, Download the app, link a bank card. It doesn't even have to be like a main credit or debit card. It can be like a prepaid card, something like that, and you get $15 every time someone does this. It may not seem like a lot, but it definitely adds up. I made about $400 the last time they ran this promotion. I knew people who made like 7,000. I knew someone who made 14,000. So you can definitely make a lot. There's no limit. Um, you know, if you just make a couple hundred, if you want to just post it on your Facebook wall, tell people, hey, download this app. It's great cash back. You can get $15 per referral. It's really easy just to make a few hundred. You can withdraw to your bank or withdraw to PayPal. So I just wanted to show you guys that it is in fact paying out on my PayPal here. Um, so they just paid me the last payment that from that promotion today, $15. Another one here, $30. I got some pretty large payments down here. Cash flow, this is Dosh here, 215. Um, Down here some more, 75, 30, 35. So they're definitely paying out, and it's just amazing. They'll do this for the next 2 weeks, starting January 7th, which you're probably seeing this either that day or um, after January 7th, 2018. So we've got 2 weeks to do it. So all you got to do is go down to the link below, download to your phone, and remember to link a card. Once you do link a card, you get a $5 bonus, and then you qualify for the $15 commissions. Okay? So the next one is another app. These are both free to download. This is called Acorns, and this is a investment slash savings app. And the goal of this is to help you save money. And once again, you don't actually have to use the app. What they do basically is you link a card that you use every day, and they will take they'll round up whatever transaction you make to the next dollar and use that as savings. So say you go to the gas station and spend $10.50. They will round that transaction up to $11, and they'll take that 50 cents and put it into your savings portfolio in your Acorns app. Okay, it's very similar to when you go to the store and people ask you to round up to donate to charity. Okay, it just works for your own benefit. Again, you don't have to do this, but you can take advantage of this awesome promotion they're doing right here. Help your friends grow wealth. Start 2018 right with a $1,000 bonus from us when 10 friends start investing this month. Okay, so at the end of the month, if you get 10 people to start using this app, you get $1,000 bonus. You can withdraw this to your bank. Okay, so all you have to do is download the app through the link and invest. You have to invest $5. For this one, you do have to link a bank account. Okay, and believe me, did a lot of research before I did this because linking a bank account is very different than linking a credit card. Okay, um, and I almost didn't do it, but I did a lot of research. I talked to a lot of people who've been using this app for years, who are doing this promotion, and it's completely legit. So you don't have to worry about them taking your money or taking your information, anything like that. It is $1,000 bonus, and it's definitely worth it. Okay, so I'll have the link to that below. Make sure you go in and do that as soon as possible because it took about 3 days for them to process this investment and another couple days for me to see my referrals start coming in. So you want to get on top of it because today's January 7th. You only have until the end of the month to get 10 people. Okay, so a great way to get $1,000 by February. I'm sure a lot of you could use it. Okay, so for the last opportunity, this is called MCA, stands for Motor Club of America. You may have heard of this, and it is a towing service, automobile service. They actually have a ton of benefits. I can go and I'll show you a few of them. But the main thing is unlimited towing. Okay, so like the same with those apps, you don't actually have to use the service. You can take advantage of their affiliate bonus commissions that they pay out. Lots of these companies they work this way instead of paying for advertising. So this is why you probably maybe haven't heard of this, or it's not as popular as things you see on billboards and in magazines, because they're paying for the advertising services. Instead of that, MCA is paying independent representatives to promote for them. Okay, so this is how this works. It's called social commerce, and lots of companies do this. So MCA is great because they pay 200% commission. So they pay $80 for a $40 membership. That's pretty crazy. I mean, you think $15 adds up, $80 adds up a lot. I mean, imagine just $80. If you could make $80 sale every day, that's over $500 a week. And they pay every week, every Friday on the dot. This company's around for 50 plus years. This is a real legit company. You can do all the research you want to on this. It's what's up. So MCA. I'm gonna go through. Once you sign up with me, you will get this training, which is really great. I work with really great people on Facebook who promote this, who just know exactly what they're talking about, and I've learned a ton about it. So you'll get this page that you can give to anyone who signs up with you as well, because the secret to MCA is you want to have an incentive to sign up. Okay, because apparently not. I mean, you think the incentive would be the $80 commissions, but people want to they want to know that they can do it too. Okay, and this is what I want to make clear to you as well, that you can make money with this too. So you'll get this site here. It'll show you how to sign up. What am I paying for? Unlimited roadside assistance, travel reservations, trip planning, $5 reimbursement, $5,000 stolen vehicle reward, just a ton of different benefits that they have. And this is your membership. You'll get this in the mail. You get a bumper sticker, a card. Okay, right here, become a sales associate. It'll show you how to become an associate, stuff about state licensing, taxes. This is legitimate company that's paying you, so you do have to pay taxes and everything like that. You have to fill out a W-9. This will show you how to walk through your back office or your referral link is, how to fill out a W-9. This is just really great training. And then we go into how to promote on Facebook. And we'll show you here how to promote. Here's examples of ads you can use on Facebook. We got videos you can use. Just everything you need to really get this going, because you really can make just a ton of money doing this. I have a Facebook group below that I'll link that you can go to. You can watch some videos. Sorry, my newborn is waking up. You can watch some videos and definitely read the pin post. This girl made over $10,000 a week doing this. So, oops, resume, sorry. Um, I'll have that link below so you can go check that out. And also have my sign up link for this. All the steps and everything are going to be below, so I can walk you through it. I just wanted to make this video to kind of introduce it. I'll have my Facebook link below so you can send me a message if you want to. Um, just let me know who you are and your question, or just let me know where you're coming from. If you just say hi, then I might not respond. I get like a ton of messages. Okay, so that being said, if you're seeing this on Craigslist, yeah, all the information will be below. Send me a message on Facebook. If you're seeing this on YouTube, um, that information will also, and links will also be below. And just, give this video a like, subscribe to my channel. I have tons of other videos on how to make money from home. So I really look forward to hearing from you. I hope you enjoyed this video. These 3 programs, if you use them right, are just going to make a killing in January and through the whole year, honestly. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you.